All right, so welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, you guys are doing good and hopefully everything is totally fine. So, we're going to speak about Reggae Boy Kasey Palmer. As you know, Kasey Palmer playing for Coventry City recently. Recently, played a game against a Watford. That game ended 3-3. But there's a key point in that I need to highlight in the post-match press conference that the coach had. Now, we're going to touch into that, but before we do that, let's do the YouTube stuff. You don't know the YouTube stuff, people might like, share, and hit the subscribe button. So, yes, I'll like, share, and hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. All right, so let me just bring up. I'm not sure if we're going to come up on the screen. Um, I'm going to bring up the comments made by the manager of Coventry City. So this is the comments after the game. A really, really good game. Kasey Palmer was basically one of the best player on the pitch. And he said, injuries to player. This is not good news, but I'm hopeful. I'm very, very hopeful that it's something just very much slightly, a slight knock. But this is what he said. This is the manager. Kasey Palmer got a knee issue. So we have got to look at him, and he's got to be right before he decides that he's going off on international duty. Listen to this again. We've got to look at him, and he's got to be right before he decides he's going off on international duty. So, what does that mean? That's a big question. What does that mean? What does that mean? Should we be concerned? Should we be concerned that we might not see him? Or in the event we see him, we are not getting 100% fit Kasey Palmer? These are the questions that, these are the thought-provoking questions I feel the need to ask this morning. And albeit we understand that footballers can play through pain. Sometimes they pick up a knock and they think it's not serious until it's further aggravated. Now, there is a rest period because match played on Saturday. There is a rest period between now and match day and Reggae Boyz match day. There is a rest period. So, at the end of the day, he could fully recover. Could. But during the rest period, you have to factor in traveling and all these things. So it might not be serious. It might be serious. But these are the questions that we have to ask today. Anyways, this is just a short video just highlighting you guys, letting you guys know the condition that Kasey Palmer is in right now. Uncertainty around his fitness. The big question is, will we have a fully fit Kasey Palmer, or will we have a Kasey Palmer with a slight knock who will be playing a bit cautious? That's the question. And as the coach said, they would have to decide if he's right or if he's fit enough to make the journey on international duties. Big up on yourself, people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell us what you think about this one, people. MG Sports TV. We are out. Boom.